Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video I'd like to compare the present simple and present continuous tenses. We use present simple to talk about the things that are always true, and present continuous to talk about the things that are true at the moment of speaking.
The sun shines during the day. The sun is shining very brightly today.
We use present simple to talk about the things that are permanent, and present continuous to talk about the things that are temporary.
We live in Poland. We are living in Poland for a couple of months.
We use present simple to talk about habits and present continuous to talk about temporary habits.
She drinks a lot of coffee. She's drinking a lot of coffee these days.
And we use present simple to talk about future events that are scheduled and are a part of a timetable, and present continuous to talk about future plans.
The conference starts at 8 tomorrow. I'm picking Jane up at 7:30 tomorrow and we are attending the conference together.
And now let's do the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!